Yo. Fuck. Garrett, it's your boy Playboizuse and I'm back with the motherfucking static you did. So today, man, as you can see by the title, based off the video, you feel me, we're gonna be doing my god sister hair. This is the first time I'm doing somebody hair on camera, you feel me? Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? Y'all peep that shirt though, like look at this shit, like what free promo. Shop at Da Vinci, kid. But yeah, I am coming back with some more shit. Yeah, I do got some more shit. Like I literally have a whole playlist waiting on y'all. 20 likes on every video, and I'm dropping a video every week. You feel me? Real shit. So what I'm gonna be doing is parting her hair.
How you holding it?
I want to come back to work.
You took 3 months off for Frank.
That was different. Same thing.
You hate editing. Walk out there right now and look at the shit that Barry's providing since you've been gone.
Uncle Barry? You turned the A&C section into a donkey show?
Look at this.
Your dreads are your actual hair.
My locks always covered it. You want it closer to you?
Oh yeah, put it by that cup. Alright, so we've had 2 of them so far. I'm gonna do the rest.
What the fuck are you doing here?
And that's what we're looking for. Like, we're looking to get in.
Who's that?
That's what $50,000 worth of dirt heroin.
And it's dirt. It's like black.
The fact that she only gave you one, you can have both. She knew what the fuck she was doing.
I thought somebody was popping that shit right after she said
Look
it.
at that. Wait, but this is done. Where's Rick? Rick?
And like,
This is the shit I was telling you about. Gonna charge you, right? No. You did the right thing. This is everything.
Everything?
Any chance you saw the person who broke in?
No, I know. But
So what is this?
I'm gonna take this.
she just got raped. Somebody called him that night. He like all freaked out. I had no idea what was going on and went down.
You know who called him, Paige? It was Ducky.
Oh, I think you're right. I think it is his sir.
Alright? Let me check this phone. Thank you, Paige. I'm gonna take this to the station. Okay?
they be giving you them loose ass shits. Mine, I make them tight so your hair can stretch.
They're supposed to make it tight so my hair can stretch.
The couch.
Yeah.
So you're gonna make.
Man, y'all see this, man? Look at her hair. Almost done. I got a back to do. I'm finna do that. Last one, y'all boys. Look at her hair so far though. May or may not hurt as much. Be next to that scene. Damn, you're done at what? 2 o'clock? How long that took? You started at 10? You're done at 2 in 4 hours?
That's what you said.
You tried to be like iPhone 1,
Honestly,
7.
I fucking forgot.
Put your head up, sir. I said, sir, man.
You coming upstairs now?
Yeah, my bad.
You that tired?
Yes, I am. What I was gonna say was actually ruder than that, but I'm playing. You know I'm playing bad. I'm finna be like, book me, fuck niggas. That is not funny. That's your peasy ass head.
Gentle beast.
Dirty, you might. Wow, homie, that's my shirt. You see this designer? You did this on designer, kid.
That's true.
This is designer. You done dirty designer? Wow, kid don't like Adidas and it's still dirty, kid. Look how
It's still dirty, but like it's
look how I
better.
did her hair though, kid. Kid, this how I'm gonna take y'all niggas girlfriends, kid, on me. I'm gonna tell her come do her hair for the 50, right? I'm gonna
I'ma
lowball
put this up
everybody
tomorrow.
and I'm gonna grease her.
I'm gonna put this up tomorrow.
Alright, so that is it for the video. Thank you for liking, subscribing. You feel me? Thank you for tuning in to the video. This girl laughing at me. Yo, I said, smack the dumb shit out your. Yeah, that's it for the video, man.
I'm gonna do my edges now.
She about to do her edges, cause I don't do edges. You feel me? Somebody girlfriend gotta teach me how to do edges. I could do your dreads. I could braid your hair. I could braid your kids' hair. I could do your kids' hair. You feel me? But you gotta teach me how to do edges, kid. I'll slay your dime. Grease her after I do her dreads. I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to take every nigga down. You know why? Cause no nigga gon'
treat her right for real.
Nah, I ain't trying to treat her right. I'm trying to gut her out.
But you learning all these things just to not use them?
I'm finna use them for my daughter and my wife. Not for another nigga's girlfriend. But yeah, that is it for the video, man. She's over here doing her edges, as y'all can see. But yeah, that's it for the video. Make sure y'all like. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You did. You wanna say? Share.
Yes.
You wanna say something before we get up out of here?
Comment, subscribe, share, and come back again.
How you feel about your hair, kid?
Love it. It's not tight.
It's not tight?